Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the design open and pages in order. Now start adding page numbers. Click Apps on the left, then select Page Numbers to launch the tool. Once done, choose a style that matches your layout, simple, boxed, or decorative, and click Apply to all pages so numbers appear automatically. Make sure page order is correct before applying, because this inserts numbers sequentially. If you only want some pages numbered, use Apply to selected pages instead of the global option. With numbers applied, customize placement and appearance. Drag the number frame to the exact corner, margin, or footer position so it aligns across pages. Use the position and alignment guides to snap it consistently. Then open the text toolbar to change font family, size, color, and letter spacing so numbers match your design. If you need numbering to begin on page 2 or start at a different number, set the start number or exclude cover pages before finalizing. Make sure changes propagate to all pages. Finish by previewing each page in presentation or PDF view to confirm consistent placement and legibility. When satisfied, download using PDF standard or print settings so fonts and positions are preserved. If you need single pages without numbers, duplicate and delete the number frame on those pages before exporting. If numbers look misaligned after export, reopen the design, ungroup any grouped elements that affect layout, reposition the number placeholder, and reapply. This fixes layering and margin issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.